Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv and I welcome you to this video. In this video, I want to talk about paying attention to small details. Paying attention to small details. When we pay attention to small details, we are seen as a professional and a well-organized person. Let me give you some example. And because I'm a trainer, I would like to give you some examples of some trainers who don't pay attention to small details. For example, one trainer has his laptop and he has a lot many files on his screen. And it looks so cluttered and so messy. Then you have trainers who, make slides which have very small print, very small font, and the people in the front row also can't read it. Then you have trainers who, fumble a lot when they have to play a video. So they go down and they are trying to search for the particular video, and the audience in the meantime is looking at him and wondering, why are you wasting our time? Then you have a trainer who forgot to update his window the previous day, and then the window is taking about 20 minutes or even 30-40 minutes to update. So this is something that the trainer should have planned a day or two earlier so that he doesn't have to cut a sorry figure in front of his audience. So the point I want to make is take care of small details. Finally, I want to leave you with another example. You go to a hotel, you can easily make out that one hotel has paid attention to small details, and you can go to another hotel and you can very easily make out that this hotel has not paid attention to small details. And it can be getting business or losing business. So paying attention to small details is a very good quality to develop within you. So I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care.